Oh boy, what a beautiful day. Yeah, certainly is. That looks like it's just one thing to do. There's only one thing to do. That looks like somewhere over the rainbow. Let me think. Let me guess right. How can I learn about this? Such a small sprocket. That was dangerous. Was beautiful. I thought it was just a little thing to do at the sunny days before. Well, it's just happening, you know? I can't believe I see what was going on today.
Darn tootin'! Dag nabbit! Hi-ya! Howdy, y'all! Hooray! No thanks. Have this! Fantastic! Science! Super cool superpowers! This is gonna be awesome! Now Blossom is awesome! Super cool superpowers! And I thought I could fly fast! Wow, that was kind of awesome! How did that happen?
Well, one thing to do about this. Maybe it's close to it. Maybe I should take this thing here. I wouldn't take it far away. Maybe I wouldn't take it very often. Well, I did not see it from... Can't believe this. I can't see it anywhere. Must forget to do something. I forgot to remember this thing we had to do. Now, this time it'll be very big after all.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, is a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Birds fly over that rainbow. Why then, oh why can't I? Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where